Shalom, shalom. David Sparkridge here with myhebrewmentor.com, and I'm pleased to be with you tonight and to present what I'm going to call several high energy educational products that have been designed to accelerate your Hebrew growth so that you can learn to read the Hebrew Bible in record time and it not take you 15, 20, 30 years like it does many people. Actually, many people actually drop out, but these were intended to provide all of the resources necessary for brand new or beginner Hebrew students to make serious headway in accomplishing the dreams and the vision of their heart to read the Bible in Hebrew. Okay, so here's the first product. It's called Yarash Lite digital subscription, and this is priced at $20 per month, and it is a recurring monthly digital subscription. This product is really our most economic package. I've done the best that I could to create something for just about everyone. And I am sensitive to know that, there's some people that are financially just not in the place where they have a lot of extra funds. And I found that $20 a month, if you can't afford that, you probably will be struggling to purchase bananas and toilet paper, right? So here I have the product comparison placard, which has a nice, succinct breakdown of the different features of each of the package. And what you're going to find is that between the Yarash Lite, Standard, and the Ultra, these three different packages all have three common elements to all of them. So we're just going to draw a box around those elements. They all contain what's called the Aleph Bet pre-module. This is designed for brand new Hebrew students that don't even know the Hebrew alphabet and the Nikudot, the vowels yet. Or perhaps you know some of them, but you're literally just beginning. You dipped your toe in the water to watch some YouTube videos and you know very little about Hebrew, but you're really interested and you're drawn to the Jewish roots of your faith. You'd love to learn to read the Bible in Hebrew. Your Ash Lite will give you the Aleph Bet pre-module, so that'll take you through the entire consonantal alphabet with plenty of videos, helps, tips, printable downloads, homework assignments, this sort of thing. Next component I've called the 16 Essential Drills. This is really the secret sauce to my unique program of Hebrew reading acceleration. The 16 essential drills are unique in that you're not going to find these in any existing Hebrew curriculums, either in books or online. They're created intentionally to create the foundation for the Hebrew Conquest program. And so it is as it says, there's 16 unique drills that I teach you how to do the drills. And then once you've learned the 16 drills and you understand them, I'm going to lead you into the next section, Module 1, Pasuk Analysis. Pasuk is the Hebrew word for verse, so verse analysis, where I'm going to take the time to actually demonstrate or apply the 16 drills to verses, beginning with chapter 12 of Genesis, the call of Abraham. So who's Yarash Lite for? Number one, it's for those that don't have a lot of extra money. They're pretty tight budget-wise, but they really desire to learn to read the Bible in Hebrew, its original language. But it's also for another group of people. There's a group of people that want to study Hebrew. They really feel a magnetism towards that. They feel a calling towards that, but they're so busy in their schedule. They don't have time to meet with a mentor regularly. They don't have time for lots of homework or to have someone kind of standing over their shoulder telling them, hey, you've got to have this done by this date, that sort of thing. And they just want to have access when they get around to it. And if they've got more time this week than next week, great. Hey, I got an extra hour, extra 2 hours. They're going to sit down, go through the course material, that sort of thing. I just want to make clear there's no live mentoring option with the Lite. There really can't be for that cost because mentoring or Hebrew tutoring, it's fairly pricey. I mean, if you look at prices today, most tutors are paid $60 an hour, and I've seen rates as high as $110, $120 an hour, just depending on who the teacher is and how well known they are, this sort of thing. I'd really encourage you, if you felt a calling to learn biblical Hebrew, to go on over to my website, myhebrewmentor.com. You want to fill out the 7-question Hebrew self-assessment halfway down the homepage. This will give you a sense of exactly where you've been in your Hebrew studies, where you're at now, and where you'd like to go. Then you can go ahead, if you'd like, to set up a one-on-one meeting with me. I offer all prospective students a complimentary 15-minute professional assessment, and this will be very helpful to you, I believe, and you'll have an opportunity to set that up right on my homepage, right after filling out the 7-point Hebrew self-assessment and hitting the submit button. Thank you for listening. Have a great evening. We'll see you soon.